Ubawailat Mikishla, Menteri Ketenagakerjaan Kekya, Mentara Sengi, Khandu Terik Rempang, Arhajar Penriu, La Pentip, Baga Kabinet Kelashim Yagarai, Ben Penlong no Yaga Election, Shaking Dorbar, Jong Karohil Autonomous Council, Berkasingi Tabut Kanlong Hakashpo Terik Iaiong, Arhajar Penriu. Habakran Hilap Thai Kubor, Hadin Belawai Gajilang Kabinet, Layatu, Bagasingi Sedang, Ben Thep Keteng, Ben Yakun Yaga Election, Shaga GHADC, Kanlong Haga Khandai Terik Leber, Arhajar Penriu, Berkasingi Khadu Ben Thep Keteng, Kanlong Haga Khandu Terik Leber Arhajar Penriu. Baladadon mano napdeng kitong kibakwa banweng no yala de nakalampung jingakun kanlong haga khanyo trik leber Arhajar Penriu. Berkasinyo bot kanlong hak khat saw trik Iaiong Arhajar Penriu. Nalor giwe de kabinet klasi megarai ban pedang ya kaipon hak bedei berkabah kam jam hak jela ya kabalatip kum state reservation policy.
Calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2). It's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026.